Hi guys, this is Vicky the Viking. I do some homemade homesteading stuff. This is my soaps in the gallon jug of laundry soap. 2 cups of grated soap. Add it to a kettle of boiling water. Stir it. Then add it to a 5-gallon bucket that has hot water halfway filled up. Stir it. You can use the electric blender stick, or you can use a long paddle paint stick. I'm using that right now. Then you fill up the top of the bucket, about 2 inches from the top, with cold water. Let it sit overnight, and it gets to be a nice thick gel syrupy laundry soap. You can add lemongrass, lemon oil, lavender oil, orange, any essential oil you like, or not at all. I put a little bit in a cup. Yes, the laundry soap. And amazingly, it will clean my burnt on stuff from my stove. And I want to use stainless steel because this is an enamel stove. I've been trying to chip away this. Yes, you can use Dawn and a lot of elbow grease. This, it lifts it. This is caked on stuff. Look how nice it works. I'm rubbing my fingers over it. It is caked on. This soap's amazing. It lifts. I don't know if it's the Castile soap that I made it with. Sometimes I use Zote soap or Fels naphtha. Look how nice and clean that is. Now that was burnt on gook. I was making Chinese food and the teriyaki sauce gets stuck. But on a white enamel stove, you know better. And I'm going to rinse it off. It's good for the stainless steel too. Now that's nice and shiny. So yes, you can use my laundry soap with the Castile recipe in another video for cleaning the stove. What about the stainless steel sinks? Do I need special polish? No. Just put it on there. It'll shine it up. You know how some people, they shine their sinks up and they add a little drop of vegetable oil or olive oil to make it shine afterwards? Malarkey. Don't bother. This stuff cleans it nice and shiny. It cuts through grease. That's why it's a good laundry soap. It cuts through stains. That's why I like this recipe. I always use a rubber strainer. So it's nice and shiny. Squeaky clean. The same goes for your stainless steel pots. You know, if you have Paul Revere ware, which I do, you can shine that up too. It'll make it nice and shiny. Try doing this with one hand. Now look how nice and shiny that is. You see? This laundry soap you can shine a stainless steel with. It's a nice shine. Excuse the noise. And you know what I do to keep these shiny, the copper? I spray on vinegar. I do like lemon juice. Getting some salt here. Vinegar and salt. Just see how that turns. Wow. I always have lemons, but the vinegar I keep in a bottle. I use an old bottle. I put straight up white vinegar in it. Cleanses the sponge. Keep it right next to the sink. Then I salt the bottom of the copper. Look how nice that is. Thanks for watching.